Hey guys, welcome to Budget with the July Dreamer. My name is Miranda, and on this channel we talk about travel, lifestyle and money. And in today's video I will be talking about 5 ways to make money online. Before I get started, do not forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and also that alert button so you'll be made aware when new videos I make new videos available. So 5 ways to make money online. The first one that I would recommend is blogging. I'm a blogger and I've been blogging over at ajulaidreamer.com for the last 6-7 years, and in that time I have been making money. I started off with making $20 and I thought that was the biggest thing since bread and butter. I thought that was yay, but I still don't knock that because it was my way of learning how to make money online. So I have been making money online for the last 6 solid years, and how it works for me is at the beginning I used to reach out to brands, to peers, and see if we could work together for a fee. They can add content to my website, or I can write content, include a link to their product or to their website, whatever. But these days I actually am in a position where most brands and peers come to me, and I'm so grateful for that because I'm not spending a lot of my time these days going to brands, chasing up brands and see if they want to work together. This is something that I wanted to start again, but I just do not have the time at the moment. So I'm just grateful that there are still peers that remember my website and they'll come to me, and they are also brands that I've worked with in the past. They also reach out and see if we want to work together again. So that has been really great in helping me make money online. The second way that you can make money online that I have just started is via Etsy. So I sell the digital products that help you manage your money. So I have monthly budget trackers, weekly budget trackers, as well as business trackers in there. So one of the trackers that I'm going to use in this video to show you my business income that I have made from this, ajulaidreamer.com as well as Etsy, is actually one that you can buy from my Etsy shop. So I am not exactly raking it in when it comes to Etsy. Last month I was happy to sell 2 of my digital products, and I'm so excited about that. And this month I've already sold 1, which makes me really, really happy. So I mean, it will take some time, I know, to uptake, but it's still a great way to make money. I know a lot of people that sell products on Etsy, handmade products, and they make a lot of money. So you can too. So you can just make something, could be a digital product, could be a physical product or what have you, and you can make money by selling it on Etsy. The third way that you can make money is via this website called Teachable. So with Teachable I have signed up to teach English, and I tutor 5-year-olds to 11-year-olds. I've only ever done it once because I've been so lazy to actually put myself out there and promote myself. But that's another way that you can make money on there. You can set up your rates, you can set up when you want to actually do these classes. I have chosen to do either the evening or weekends because I have a 9-to-5. And I want to make money extra, so I just want to make sure it doesn't interfere with my 9-to-5. So Teachable is another one that you can actually check out and make money from. The other way that I make money is via Upwork. So this is a website that was actually introduced to me, and as a blogger it's really perfect. You don't have to be a blogger though. You can just be searching on there for something that you think you are good at and you can do. So I will try and leave a link down below, but it's not an affiliate link, it's just a normal link, and you can check them out and see the types of work that they throw there. So for me, I look for proofreading, I look for content creation, and I can do press releases, but I choose not to. So I just focus on content creation and proofreading and editing as well. So you can do that. I have edited books on there before. I have edited other people's content. I have written content for companies on there. So it's open. You really have to just go there, sign up, and check out the kind of work that you are willing to do. And if you have a degree, you can maybe teach something in your area, maybe with the type of work that you do, you can see if there are people looking for that, or just something that you're good at. You can try and use your skills to make extra money online. So that is blogging, Etsy, Teachable, and Upwork. Then the 5th one that I recommend is care work. When I was in college, I did care work for, I think, throughout college and throughout uni, and I loved it. I loved working in care homes and also care in the community. It was really great. It's a shame that they don't pay you huge amounts of money, but it's actually great for side hustle income. You can, you know, do just shifts in the weekend or shifts at night. They're always looking for people, so just search in your area and see if there are any care homes that are looking for people. But that is how you can make money online. Honestly, like, there are a lot of ways you can make money online, but for me, I have found these 5 that I've shared in here to be the ones that make me money. So now I'll go right to sharing with you the March 2021 passive income report, and I'll show you how much I made. Like I say, the template that I'm using to show my income, my business income, is actually one you can find on my Etsy shop. So let's get right into that. I'll be looking towards my laptop so I can walk you through the tracker. So you can see I have in here, I have the source of income, so it could be monthly income. So the monthly income is normally the blog. I have Etsy. Obviously YouTube, I'm not making anything because I don't have that many followers, but hopefully one day I will. And then I have other income. Now other income could really be from me drawing money from my personal account into the business, because everybody knows that you need to actually invest in your business before you start making money. And from my blog, I actually do invest money in it. There are certain services and websites that I use that I need to pay for, and sometimes my blog hasn't made that money, so I need to I don't even know what is like add money from my personal account into my business account to pay for that. So I'm going through the March a passive income report, but I'm showing you everything from January this year. So in March, I was able to make £435 from my blog, and then from my Etsy, I made £4.48. So actually in March, I made £500 from my blog, but the money that did not arrive into my account until I think the 2nd of April, which means that obviously I can't count that as part of the March income. I am counting that as part of the April income. This is why I have actually filled out already how much I've made in April so far from the blog and also from Etsy. And then I had to add extra money from my personal account into my business, because I actually bought an iPad for my business, which I've claimed as part of my business expenses, and I decided to also just pay for my hosting for the whole year, my Tailwind subscription, PicMonkey subscription. So all of this costs a lot of money, so I just decided to take from my personal budget, put it into the business, and then the business is actually paying me back slowly but surely. I always make sure I get back the money that I put in from, you know, into the business. I always make sure that I get that back. So essentially I made £1,009.25, and £569.77 of that is what I put into the business. So I have a spreadsheet where I track how much the business owes me, and then I just get that money back from myself. So this month I actually didn't get to do any accounting. I didn't need an accountant actually. My dad actually does my accounting, so there was nothing to pay for that, but for April there will be, because he just did my taxes. And then my Xero account, which I've obviously connected to my PayPal as well as my bank, and that's where I generate the invoices for my business. Advertising. So I decided that I wanted to have a YouTube video editor, but then I discovered iMovie and realized I can actually do most of this myself. So this is why I paid for a video editor to do some work on one video, but then realized actually, you know what, I can just do this myself. And then Adobe Lightroom, so I use Lightroom for my pictures, mostly for my Instagram pictures, but I'll see if I can use some for this for the YouTube as well. Etsy, obviously Etsy is the mother of all fees, so I paid £4.66 in Etsy fees. YouTube Music, so I paid £5.44 for that. My WordPress website, ajuladreamer.com, so I pay a fee to Jetpack for a Jetpack for £3. My domain, I actually paid that at the beginning of the year, so I don't need to pay that until next year, so it's fine. And then Fiverr is another way people can actually make money. I should actually mention Fiverr because I was able to find somebody who could do art, yeah, YouTube art, but in the end I realized, okay, I didn't like what they produced for me. It looked great and I think somebody would really like it, but it wasn't what I was going for, so I paid £5.45 for that. Google storage, I don't even know how it happened, but ever since I started making videos for YouTube, I seem to be running out of space quickly, so I now have a Google storage which I pay £1.79 for my general office expenses. So this is buying notebooks, pen, paper. I use quite a lot of pens in my business. I really prefer to write things down. I love my spreadsheets, but I still love writing things down. Hosting, so for my website, obviously I have a hosting company that hosts my website, and that's normally £15.99, but I actually decided that for April's bill I'll just pay the whole year, so this is why for April it's gonna be £159.99. And then office equipment, I mentioned I bought an iPad for my blog, so that was $571 plus an iPencil. And then PicMonkey is what I use for my blog art. So what I did is I decided to just pay for the whole year. I didn't like seeing all these £14 every single month on my bank statement. Then I have a virtual assistant who helps me with some admin for my blog, so I paid her £31.49. She's really lovely. And then for my Tailwind, I use Tailwind for my Pinterest. It really helps me to schedule a lot of pins at once, and then they're able to go out at the times that I decide, so it's really great. So all in all, I spent £980.64, which is 97% of my income from the blog actually went towards expenses. This is the life of having a business. So there are times when I only spend like 20%, 40% of my business income, and then the rest I just put into my savings and tax. So, and now what I have left over is £28.61, and I have a section in my tracker for tax, so I allocated £201.85 for the month passive income. So I make sure to remove tax every single time I earn something, so this tracker actually helps me to calculate that quickly, so I know how much I have to remove from how much I make for a blog post or from Etsy, and then just put that towards my my taxes. So this tracker also has a column that I included at the end for year to date, so you're able to see how much I made. So far I have made £1,137 from my blog, $565 from Etsy, nothing from YouTube, and £1,055 pounds and 65 pence. That's how much I have put into the business. So all in all, I have made £2,198 and 30 pence. So I make sure that I am tracking how much money I am making in my business. And then for my expenses as well, I do have a section for how much I have spent, and then that also adds it. Sorry that my video actually cuts it out a little bit here, but I also just make sure I just track how much I have made so far in my business. So that's it for my March 2021 passive income report. I am hoping to do these videos more frequently, so my next one will probably be at the end of April, where I'll be walking you through how much I have made. So far I already know I have made just £300, but because they haven't been deposited into my account, I have not recorded that into the tracker. I've only recorded what I have been paid so far, which is £197 from the blog and £1.17 from Etsy. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video so that it is shown to more people. Subscribe as well, and do not forget to hit that alert button so you're made aware of when I release new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.